In this video I will show you how I repair and revive this driveway. Just had the garage conversion done, so there's builder's mess, bits of mortar, sand, debris all over it. As you can see, there's holes where they put the new brickwork, and also a bit of weather damage where bits of the tarmac has crumbled away. So keep watching and I'll show you how I revive this driveway. I'll start by giving the driveway a really good brush and getting rid of all the dirt and dust that's accumulated on it. You can give it a jet wash, but then you'd have to wait for it to dry. Now I'm just raking out any loose material, get rid of any more dust. Brush it out, make sure it's nice and clean. I'm going to patch in the holes with this cold lay tarmac. It's from B&Q and it was about £7 or £8 a bag, and I found out about it through watching a video by the Carpenters Daughter, so I'll put a little link to her video at the top of the screen. It's really quite easy to use. You just lay it in the hole you want to fill, and then you just tamp it down with either a hammer or a piece of metal and a hammer, or if you've got a tamper then that would be ideal to use. So you just overfill the hole a little bit, and then as you compact it down it should go flush to the surface then. I'll put links in the description below of as much of the stuff I've used as possible, so you can find out where I got it all from. So here I'm just using a piece of metal and a lump hammer just to compact the tarmac down, get a nice flat finish. You could just use the hammer by itself, or as I said, if you've got a tamper that would be ideal. Now that all the holes are filled, I'm going to paint the driveway with this Thompsons quick dry and drive seal. Now, I've been using this for many years and it's a really good product. It not only makes the tarmac black again, but also protects it from the weather. Now I'm just cutting in the edges with a 2-inch brush. I'm painting about a 4-inch strip all the way around, so the roller doesn't have to go all the way up to the edge. But I'm not painting a fresh tarmac yet. I'm going to wait for that to set hard, and then I'll come back and paint that again. When all the cutting in's done, I switch over to a masonary roller. Makes the job a lot faster, but you can carry on with a brush. If you've got rough tarmac, then a fence brush would be ideal. Now that it's all filled and painted, I think it looks a lot better. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy the videos, please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.